Ranging from 357 square feet to 1,868, our all-balcony suites are the perfect retreat after the many incredible adventures revealed ashore. Each one of our suites also features all the luxuries needed for expedition cruising, from spacious balconies to creature comfort details such as the luxurious minibar or walk-in closet. You will be able to choose between the spectacular Grand and Owner Suite, the signature Silver Suites, and the perfectly appointed veranda, one of the largest suites in expedition cruising. Debuting for the first time on an expedition ship, our highly successful Otium Spa is the perfect place to relax, restore, and indulge after a day of exploration. And as you know, our take on wellness is not about sacrificing, but instead indulging in the little pleasures, from luxurious nibbles to our curated selection of treatments to make sure you look as amazing as you feel. Among the largest spa in expedition cruising, the Otium Spa includes a set of 3 treatment rooms, separate thermal areas for ladies and gentlemen, featuring spacious saunas, steam rooms and showers, and a stunning relaxation area. And of course, this includes a beautiful beauty salon where our committed team of therapists will offer the latest in beauty treatments and techniques. Featuring an incredible amount of natural light and views of the destination, the fitness center is the perfect place to keep in shape while at sea and not miss any part of the action. This is where guests can enjoy the state-of-the-art gym equipment and expertly designed classes and personal training sessions, perfect for any type of athlete.